Well, hello fellow RVers, this is Gary once again with Rough Road RV Life. We like looking at freedom. We got Sharon behind the camera. So where's freedom brought us? Well, we're in Arizona at Tuba City. Yep, tuba, like the instrument.
But that's not what it's named after.
That's not what it's named after, a tuba. So anyway, where are we at? We are at the NavajoLand Hotel and RV Campground, which is that way. And we're going to show you what this spot is all about right here. And we're staying here a couple of nights. This is a stopover for us because we're on our way to the Grand Canyon, so you can look forward to that. And also we're going to put a few things in here about our little couple field trips we did here. We looked at dinosaur feet in the ground, dinosaur footprints, and we went to the Navajo Museum and the Code Talkers Museum. So let's get touring right down there. And it's very hot.
It's so hot. You might say it's Florida hot minus the humidity though.
So you park here with your RV and you go into the hotel to check in and get your site and your if you need water, they actually give you a key to turn on the water with. So that's at the hotel part. Here we go.
I want to add, you are within walking distance to restaurants and a Dollar General. It's
Family Dollar.
Was it a Family Dollar?
No, it's a Family Dollar right around there too.
Oh, is there? I need to go check that out. We are looking for a rug right now.
There's a restaurant here. There's all stuff.
Yep.
So we're going to go straight, as I almost turned. And
Trails.
to the right, I think those are tent sites.
I think so too, but they assign you a site. So there is a dog park to our left. There's somebody in there right now, so we'll swing back around to that and show you. That's the bathhouse. I think there's a laundry in there too, but we haven't been in there. In the Navajo Nation, you do have to wear a face mask now. This is July 2022, but that is what they do require. So if you go anywhere, no mask, no entry. So just keep that in mind. The sites are assigned, and they're adequate. Here is a couple just so you can get an idea. Number 3 is right here. Got a tree, picnic table right there. 4 is next to it, and then 5. We are 19 over here to the left. We have our very own tree. 18 is right beside us. Now you can see their utilities is right near us, but still, I think there's ample space. I've definitely seen worse. 7, 8 right there. 17 and 16 are on the left. We just passed. And straight ahead looks like some full-time sites. And again, it really doesn't matter because they do assign you a site. But there's 10 down there.
10, 11, 12, 13, and 14.
Yeah, these nice stained glass signs. And then these sites over here to the right are back-end sites. And they look like they may be some seasonal or residents here. But there's a pull-throughs. We saw a van here, and he was just here for one night. And these are the sites off to the right. There's a bathhouse. They do have laundry facility, and we saw 2 people cleaning. And the dog park is over to our right. The dog park. Look. Doggy. What is that, Luna? Tara?
Well, so that was our little drive around of Navajo, Tuba City Hotel and RV Park. So that was the campground. And like you saw, there's a dog park here, there's restrooms. Little area right here to walk. We've got plenty of room here to pull our RV in. We got dirt and gravel site here, but it's level. It's full service.
And we're actually standing in you know, by the neighbor's picnic table because we're under a tree here.
And it's very sunny. It's 30-50 amp sewer water. So it's a full service park. And it's a nice and quiet park. And you're within walking distance of stores, Dollar General. There's a museum right there. That little dome thing, that's the museum. So, and there's also, you go see the dinosaur footprint, which is cool. That's a donation.
Minutes away,
Yeah,
just minutes.
all of it's real close.
Yes.
So, and there's a grocery store up here, Bascas?
Bosch's.
And it's a nice independent grocery store. Nice produce and all that was really nice in there.
Prices were very reasonable for, you know, and it has a Starbucks in it.
Yes, it does. So if you like Starbucks, there
But
you go.
Plan time is very, very busy.
Yes. But the getting to the checkout lines weren't that bad.
No, it wasn't bad. Friendly folks.
So, and our Verizon service here, 5G, 5 bars. Stellar.
We're happy.
Yes. So
We're happy
getting ready
campers.
to pack up and leave because we are heading to Trailer Village on the south rim of the Grand Canyon.
Woohoo!
So we're looking forward to getting there because we're going to be there a while. So we're going to pack it up and head out.
This is a nice little break before you make that 82-mile drive to the Grand Canyon coming in from the east side. So we'll be back here a couple more times because it's kind of on our way to the places we're going.
Yeah, it's kind of a nice little 1-2 night stop.
Yeah, just a little stopover.
It doesn't get real crowded in here.
We did not mention Hogan's though, did we?
No, we didn't. There's a little restaurant right up here in front of the hotel called Hogan's. And I think I put a picture on Facebook and some others of the big hamburgers we got with the Navajo fried bread.
Free. Comes free if you ask for it on your hamburger,
Yeah.
or you can get it separate.
But it was good food, and it's fresh food there. I saw a lot of the food that was coming out of the kitchen. The salads looked great and all they were bringing out. And you can also get Navajo fried bread with honey and confection sugar
Cinnamon.
and cinnamon all over a big, like, sticky bun.
That's good.
Yeah, which was very good.
And you can get Navajo tacos there,
Yep.
they have a Navajo section.
Right.
So,
If you want to try some of the local Navajo cuisine, right there, and it's reasonably priced.
right. This is on tribal lands, I think. This is part
Right.
of the Navajo Nation. So, just know that and be respectful of that.
Mask required in all establishments on Navajo land.
Yes. So we have been wearing our masks again. Masks in 100-degree heat.
Yeah.
It's very different experience.
Yes, I haven't been used to that for a long time.
No, yeah. And we understand the Grand Canyon requires that too. So we're just breaking it in.
So with all that being said, it's time to go.
Time to hit the road.
Gary and Sharon and the dogs are not asleep because they know it's pack up and move day.
Yeah, they know something's going on.
Yeah.
Things aren't normal.
So we're going to hit the road. We like looking at freedom. Click like and subscribe. Stay safe. Hope to see you on the road someday. Take care.
On the road, bouncing along, literally. See the camera? Heading to the Grand Canyon today.